Welcome to the TRAQOM survey system, a centralized survey management system to help training providers such as yourself administer post-course evaluation surveys. In this video, you will learn how to navigate through the survey system as well as understand the key features of the site. First, here is a brief overview of the streamlined process. As a training provider, you will continue to upload course run data into the MySkillsFuture Portal. Upon data validation, the trainee information will be automatically added to the TRAQOM survey system. Next, you may choose to prepare your surveys by adding questions and scheduling them. Thereafter, the surveys will be conducted and the survey responses are collected and monitored in the system. You'll be able to use a suite of analytics tools to gather insights which can be used to generate reports. You may then view and download the raw and aggregated survey results. Training providers are required to ensure that their course run information is updated and to upload the trainee data file on MySkillsFuture Portal. MySkillsFuture Portal is available at the URL https://www.myskillsfuture.sg. To do this, training providers must log in via CorpPass and click on Course Postings. Then, click on Upload Course Runs to upload the course runs data file. To access the training provider's functions, you are required to log in using CorpPass. Select CorpPass Login on the Training Providers section. The login form will appear on the screen. You'll be required to enter your credentials. Tick the roles checkbox according to your role and click Sign In. After logging in, you will be directed to the training provider homepage. Click on the Trainees link found at the top of the navigation bar. Click on the Download File Template button on the right-hand side of the page. After completing the trainee data file, click on the Upload button. You will then be prompted to select a file template to be uploaded. Your file's format should be in XLS or XLSX. Upon submission, the trainee data will be pending upload to TRAQOM. The data will be processed in batches and uploaded to the TRAQOM survey system daily at specific timings, specified by SSG. Please contact SkillsFuture Singapore at 6785-5785 for your query, or submit your inquiries via SSG portals at https://portal.ssg-wsg.gov.sg/feedback. To log into the TRAQOM survey system, visit tracom.azcentric.com. Each training provider has a limited number of accounts specified by SSG. If this is the first time you're logging in, you will need a first-time setup password that was sent to your email account. Next, simply enter your registered email in the email field and your password in the password field. Then, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will be able to view announcements on the dashboard regarding new features, scheduled downtime, and other important information. From here, you will also be able to access different modules in the system. To change your password, click on the profile icon, then click on Change Password. A panel will slide in from the right. Next, enter your current password, your new password, and confirm it. Then click Save. If you forget your password, simply click on the Forget Your Password link. To reset your password, enter your registered email address into the text box and click on the Reset Password button. You should receive an email from TRAQOM that contains a link to reset your password. Simply click on the link to open the Reset Password form. Then, enter your new password in both text boxes and click the Reset Password button. Each organization is allowed 5 accounts. To create an account for your colleague, click on the Organization module on the top menu. Then, click on Users from the left menu. A list of existing users from your organization will appear. Click on Add New to create a new account. Fill up the first name, last name, division, and email address of the new user. Then, click on Save. An email with the first-time setup password will be sent to their email address. They can then log into the system. Each organization is allowed 5 accounts. You can add your colleagues as account users if required. You may also edit and delete users' accounts. To delete a user, click on the cross icon. To add new survey questions, click on Surveys from the top menu. Then, from the list of surveys on the right panel, click on the pencil icon to add questions for that survey. The number of questions that you may add is determined by SSG. You can apply the questions to multiple areas of training, otherwise known as AOT. To add your questions, click on Add Survey Questions. This will open up the Page Designer. The Page Designer allows you to drag and drop different types of questions from the left panel to the survey itself. You can choose from many different question types, such as radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-down list, text inputs, and much more. Before you add any questions, drag a section into the workspace. This will create a white background for your questions. Then, drag and drop your first question into the white area in the workspace to ensure that it is displayed correctly. Click on the gears icon to edit the question. Ensure HTML content type is selected. To make this question mandatory, enable the required option at the bottom of the settings dialog. Finally, save your question. Please refer to the user manual to find out how to set up different types of questions. Once you have finished adding your questions, click on the Save button to save the survey. Saving the survey will not deploy the survey. Then, close the Page Designer to return to the survey management screen. After adding your questions, you can preview exactly what your trainees will see when they receive your survey by clicking on the Preview button. To save your new questions as a draft, click on the Save as Draft button. These questions will not be published in the survey sent to trainees. To save your new questions and publish them, click on the Submit button. Your survey is now ready to be sent to your trainees. To send a survey, click on Surveys from the top menu. Then, click on the name of the survey you would like to send. The system will display a few options of sending the survey. Click on Send. We'll send surveys via email by default. If no email was provided, surveys will be sent to trainees via SMS. To view the QR code, copy and paste the QR code link into your web browser. The system will display the generated QR code. To schedule a survey, click on Set Survey Send Date from the left menu. Then, click on the pencil icon next to the desired survey. Select the desired date and time, then click Update. To update your trainee's email or phone number, click on the Survey module from the top menu. Then, click on Manage Trainee from the left menu. The system will display a list of trainees. Click on the pencil icon of the trainee you would like to update. The system will display the trainee's information. You may update the email or mobile phone in the form. Click Update to save the changes. To view and design reports, click on Reports from the top menu. To download raw survey results, click on Raw Survey Results from the left menu. Then click on the type of results you want to download. To view other reports, click on Report Management from the left menu. You will see a list of reports that are available for you. The response rate report allows training providers and lead agencies to view the total number of surveys sent and responses received for monitoring purposes. The data aggregation report allows training providers and lead agencies to view the aggregated results by course and by training provider for quality and outcomes surveys. Click on this report to open the Report Designer. To modify the columns generated, click on the plus icon next to Columns. Then, select the columns you would like to generate. Click Run to generate the results. To build charts, click on the Build Charts button. Then, select the type of chart you would like to build. Drag the columns you would like to use for the charts into the respective axes. Please refer to the user manual to find out how to create the different charts. To export the data, click on the Export button. You can choose to export to Excel, PDF, or CSV formats. To log out, click on the profile icon on the left panel. Then, click on Log Out. You have now exited the system. For further inquiries on TRAQOM, please contact TRAQOM support at azaas.com or call 800-852-3869.